Okay, chat, I've got this. Are you a streamer making content loved by fans and not offering top-of-the-line merchandise? In the next few minutes, I'll explain why selling merch on Twitch or any other platform is the S-tier strategy for streaming income and how you can start today with Printful. Whether you stream for fun, as a side hustle, or full-time, you know there are many ways to make money. Brand deals, Patreon, live donations. So what makes selling print-on-demand merch different? Unlike sponsorships and donations, which require constant attention, merch sells itself, even when you're not streaming. Moreover, you don't need to worry about the production side of things. Printful handles everything: printing, packing, and shipping to your customers. On top of that, Twitch streamers have an easier time promoting their merch than regular online store owners selling print-on-demand products. Here's why. No paid ads needed. Twitch streamers benefit from built-in traffic, which gives them a huge advantage over regular online store owners who rely on ads or SEO. Since streamers already have fans watching them live daily, they don't need to spend money on ads to get people to check out their merch. Live and direct promotion. Streaming makes your brand feel personal, something regular online stores often lack. Not only do you reveal the face behind the brand, but you can also show off your merch live during the stream. This way you can give fans a close-up look at the product quality. And with the use of chatbots and on-screen banners within OBS, you can be sure that the link to your store will always be accessible to your viewers. Stronger community and fan loyalty. Fans don't just buy merch, they buy a connection. Unlike random shoppers who find a store through targeted ads, fans already love your content. Buying merch feels like joining an exclusive club, especially when it includes inside jokes or limited edition designs. By this time in the video, you're probably like, I'm something of a streamer myself. How do I set up my merch store? Twitch has its own merch store solutions, making it easy for creators to sell custom merch directly from their channel and boost their live streaming income. But you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. It's important to future-proof your brand and reach fans on other channels. A great way to do that is to set up shop on a platform outside of Twitch. For example, you can create a Shopify print-on-demand store with Printful in under an hour. I'll link more detailed tutorials below, but you just need to sign up to Shopify, connect Printful, and add your designs to your favorite products. No designs? No problem. Printful's Design Maker lets you create custom ones from scratch. Once that's done, just set up your billing and shipping, and you're good to go. Here are some streamer merch bundle ideas you can start with. If you're all about gaming, we've got you covered. Maybe your Let's Plays focus on sports? You can drop all over print jerseys in any style: hockey, baseball, or something more general. Pair it with a custom embroidered hat and you have a complete look. Or maybe you're an IRL streamer who reviews and shares hiking tips. Your fans would adore this cozy selection of a premium hoodie and a matching beanie. Or maybe you're the creative type who loves mixing things up with talk shows, challenges, or even cooking streams. Whatever your style, we've got the perfect premium products to help you build your brand and give your audience something they will love. With Printful, the world's your oyster. You can create anything from custom stickers and pillows to embroidered hats and gaming mousepads. Whether you want to sell trendy streetwear, cozy loungewear, or must-have accessories for your fans, the possibilities are endless. It's totally up to you how many products you want to offer. You could go all out with a big themed collection like Ninja, or keep it simple by starting with a product catalog that has all the necessary essentials. Just remember, merch is a way for your community to support you, not a cash grab. Make sure what you're offering feels natural and is something your audience actually wants, not something you're pushing on them. With Printful, you can create custom products that truly reflect your brand and let fans support you in a meaningful way. So why wait? Give it a try today. We've also got plenty of educational content on this channel to help you out, so a sub would be greatly appreciated. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some things to take care of.